I can't really tell you guys how I feel about my hair. I don't know. It's like cooperating, but it's not. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I'm gonna try and make it a short and sweet video. So this is going to be a hair video, and I love doing hair and makeup videos. This is going to basically be my recommended products that work for me for my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is blonde. It took a lot of processes to get here. I went from super dark to blonde. I ended up lifting my hair from a dark brown in over just a weekend. Literally Friday, Saturday, Sunday was processing my hair myself at home with products that I used from Sally's. Then I ended up just letting my hair chill out for a little while. As you guys saw in my other video, if you haven't, I will link it down below. It is my salon video. See, before I got my hair done to this color, it was like a dirty blonde. I don't even know what color you would call it, but that was basically, that was me. Like, I did that color. That's what I ended up getting to. And I went in, got my hair done, and now I'm at this color thanks to the hairstylist that I went to go see. So I am super blonde now. I haven't been this blonde, it's been so long. I just could never get myself to this color. I was constantly going to the salon, trying to go back to blonde. It wasn't working as fast as I wish it was. And then I just got frustrated, and every single time I would just dye my hair back to dark because that's how frustrated I was getting. And I was frustrated with the process. Even though it's a process, that's something that needs to be understood for anyone who is dark going light. It's a process. If you're ready for it, do it. If you're not, don't spend the money and do what I did and go back to dark, and then go back to light, and then go back to dark, and then go back to light. So now I'm where I want to be. I'm super happy. You guys know I have an appointment next month. I am doing a double blonde process, so we'll see how that goes, and I will take you guys with me. So I will see if she will allow me to video record in there. I'm sure she's not gonna have a problem with it, so we'll see where we are. But this video is going to be a products review, product suggestion video. If you're like me, and like I said, you had dull hair, these products. And also, if you are already blonde and you see the yucky yellow brassy tones, I will show you a few products that I use that help me cancel those out. And yeah, so let's just get into my savior for when I had extremely damaged hair from processing it within 3 days by myself at home. What saved my hair was this guy, and this guy I'm running out of, so I need more. Coconut oil. This is going to help. Coconut oil has so many benefits. You can literally use it as a mouth rinse. You can use it as a hair mask, face moisturizer, just literally anything. Like, this is what I use on anything. I use it on my feet. I'll use it on my hands, my entire body, my face, my hair. I will leave a hair mask on. So basically what I did with this, I would melt it in the microwave, and then I would basically just cover my entire head with coconut oil. And then I would sleep with basically the coconut oil in my hair, and it was wrapped in this wrap that my mom ended up getting me. So it's like a hair wrap specifically designed for like nighttime. So I would wrap it up and then just go to bed, wake up the next morning and wash it out. And I noticed such a huge difference. And now I notice a huge difference. Like, my hair, yeah, of course it is, you know, like, it's blonde, so it's a little dry because, you know, process and all that, but it was way worse. So this ended up saving my hair. So I cannot thank this enough. I love this guy. I'm so thankful for you. Thank you for saving my hair. So I highly recommend this for anyone who is struggling with damaged hair. if you want to repair your hair, even if you're not blonde and you just kind of want, you know, silkiness, and you want your hair to look nice and like smooth and soft, and like this will help. Never heard anything bad. One thing I will say though is don't always put it on your roots. I put it on my roots just because I'm like, I really want to penetrate my roots too. But the thing is it's oil, so you don't want to put it on your roots because you don't want oily roots. But I do it sometimes, and I can't help but like wrap my hair up, and then it kind of gets on my roots anyways. So try to avoid it if you can. You also don't need to do what I did and leave it on overnight. You can leave it on for a few hours. You can leave it on for a few minutes, like however long you want. Leave it in your hair, wash it out with shampoo and conditioner. This is not like a blonde product. I have a couple that are not blonde products, but they help my hair. They help restore my hair because my hair was damaged. So this guy here is the Argan Oil shampoo, and I also have the conditioner. So this guy here, I put this on my roots and I put it on my ends. Of course, so I use purple shampoo, but I don't use it all the time. So when I'm not using my purple shampoo, I'm going in for this, and also another product I will show you, but I reach for this guy, and this also helps restore my hair. So I do really, really like this. It does smell really nice. It smells so good. And it's by Organic, so you can get this at like Walgreens, Target, anywhere. And I really, like I said, I really liked this. Every single, like, it just leaves your hair super soft. And when I'm in the shower and I put this in my head, my hair and like my scalp feels really, really clean. So yeah, so this is supposed to hydrate and repair your hair. Reach for this also if you are someone who suffers from damaged blonde processed hair. Try this guy out. Let me know in the comments below if you like it, or if you guys even try it out now. And like, you don't have to have processed hair to use this. You can use it just as like an everyday shampoo. But if you do have it matches my eyes. But if you do have processed hair, this is pretty much for any hair color. You don't need to be blonde to cancel, you know what I mean? So Matrix has some of the best products. So this is a shampoo and this is a conditioner. So the shampoo is for high maintenance colors. So this does work really good for blonde hair. If you get your hair processed like in a salon or anything like that, your hair looks super nice. Here it just says long lasting colors, looking bold, soft. And one thing I will say about this guy also, when I do use this, I really like how it foams up. When it's foamy and when I'm washing my hair with it, it just feels so soft. It's weird. But this guy and this guy together, they just make my hair super soft. This conditioner also makes my hair super soft, and the conditioner also is for color glazing. So I was kind of reaching for something that was going to be beneficial because I do color my hair. So these guys do it for me, and it also smells really good. I got these two at JCPenney for $12.99 each. So it's affordable because you get 33 ounces, 34 technically, but 34 ounces in these two bottles. So I highly, highly, highly recommend these to anyone who dyes their hair. And if your hair is looking lifeless, use this. I love these two guys together. And now for the two products that I use because I am blonde, and these two just cancel out any brassy tones that I do have in my hair. If I need like a pick-me-up, or if I just need my hair to look really, really nice and like fresh and like out the salon, I will use these two products. Matrix. So I use the Brass Off shampoo and conditioner. So shampoo, conditioner, and this just neutralizes brassy tones, and it really does it. And also, I will say this also leaves your hair super soft. 'Cause you know, with like certain products, it can leave your hair dry. Shampoo, so technically, usually it'll just leave your hair dry. This does not do that. So I leave this in for like 5-10 minutes. No, I don't even leave it in that long. I leave it in for less than 5 minutes, the shampoo, and I just kind of let my hair sit in it. Then I'll wash it out, and then I'll condition my hair with this. I will leave this in a little bit longer, and this is the conditioner for nourishment. So technically this is not like a purple conditioner. This is just to nourish your hair after this guy is in there. So these two I really do like and I enjoy together. Also, these were $12.99 each at JCPenney. So yeah, Matrix products are really, really good. And this product I am obsessed with. My friend Haley showed me this, so shout out to you, Haley. I love this product so much. So I got it for $10.99 each. You can get it at Target, and I believe that it's worth it. The bottles are small, so you get 10 fluid ounces in each. But honestly, when you think about it, it lasts me a while. Now this is the conditioner here, and this is the shampoo here, and this is the One Purple Shampoo by Kristen S, and this is the Kristen S The One Purple Conditioner. So this one is a ultraviolet pigment intense toning, which it really does intensify, brass reducing, shine restoring, and sulfate free. And it does all of those things. Literally, it will cancel out any tone of orange or yellow in your hair. No brassy tones whatsoever. This is what I use. I love this guy so much. You don't need a lot. Oh my God, I can't talk. A little bit goes a long way, so you don't need a lot of this product, but it works so well. But I will say this though, be careful, because it is so intensifying that if you leave it in your hair for too long, your hair will turn purple. That's how like strong it is. So I do like this a lot. This is my favorite. My friend, she's also of course blonde, so she was using this, Haley, and she was telling me about this because she said that this is what she reaches for. She loves it, and she says that it just leaves your hair super cool, and I agree with her. It definitely does leave your hair cool toned. You kind of have that like silvery kind of cute effect, but like I said, if you keep it on for too long, which I would say I usually keep this in for about, honestly, the most a minute. I will not keep it in longer. The least I will keep it in is like 20 seconds, but I noticed that the longer you keep it in, like I said, the purple will stain, so it will stay in your hair. So this is the shampoo, and then the conditioner is also pretty much does the same thing. Brass reducing, shine renewing, which it really does leave your hair super shiny, moisturizing and smoothing. It does do that. Safe for daily use and sulfate free. So if I could use both of these together every single day, I would, but I don't use this every single day because no, I don't think that you probably should. Unless you're going for that look, then yes, but I like my hair to be blonde and not purple or gray or silver or any of those colors. I just want my hair blonde. I don't think I would look good with any other color, but this guy here, so they both were $10.99, I believe. $10.99 or $10 or $10.99, somewhere around there. So they're both the same price, and I highly, highly, highly recommend these. If you guys are looking for something, if you're looking for a purple shampoo, I know a lot of people go for the Sally brand. I think it's called, oh man, Shimmery Lights is one of them, and then I forgot what the other name of it is, but I noticed that that really didn't do much but dry my hair out. So I will say that these products here, of course, you know, with purple shampoo, it can dry your hair out. However, you need a really good conditioner. And like I said, all of these conditioners here, along with the purple shampoo that, you know, it goes with, it works really good together. So the purple shampoo will definitely cancel out any brassy. I love these products. I will list them down below so then you guys can purchase them. these are just things that work for me. I am not, disclaimer, I am not a hairstylist. I'm not telling you to go out and buy these, and I'm not telling you that it's going to work for you. I'm telling you that this is something that works for me. So if you want to try it, I would give it a go. I really love them. These are my staples for my hair. I use these all the time. So, but if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.